Hi, I'm Dylan Ballou, and you're watching a Co-op Minute. Father's Day will be here before you know it. Don't be underprepared to celebrate Dad this year. Co-op is your one-stop shop for gifts that are sure to bring a smile to all the father figures in your life. No gift is perfect for every dad, so it's important to have options like pocket knives. Check out your Co-op's knife selection for the very best and unique pieces from brands like WR Case and more. Case prides themselves on making the right knife for those who make things the right way. Co-op also offers tons of stylish and affordable sunglasses that will make any dad happy, including brands like Costa, which were designed by outdoorsmen to make them perfect for days outside. Is your dad known as the king of the grill? Pick him up a new tool or gadget to use all summer long. Or maybe the dads in your life would rather try new wildlife attractant or feed. Doing this can attract and retain wildlife to your property, increase antler potential of bucks, improve overall deer and herd health, and increase in the fawn recruitment. The best Father's Day gifts are ones given with love, so stop by the Co-op and check out all the items we have that are sure to make your dad feel like the coolest guys around. Thanks again for joining us in this Co-op Minute. Check back next week for more tips.